Close your eyes and imagine this. You wake up in 2025 and everything around you has changed. Your glasses are gone, replaced by lenses that give you instant information. Your phone folds out into a screen as big as your laptop, and even your assistant knows you better than your best friend. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the coolest innovations shaping our future. Today, we're diving into 5 life-changing gadgets you'll see in 2025. These are not just gadgets, they are tools that will make your life easier, more productive, and a whole lot more exciting. If this excites you, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things tech. Now, let's jump right in. 1. Smart contact lenses, augmented vision. Let's start with something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Smart contact lenses. Imagine this. You're walking through a crowded city, and your lenses show you the fastest route to your destination. Need to read a foreign sign? The translation appears instantly in your vision. Missed the game last night? Just a glance at your lens, and you've got the score. How do they work? Smart contact lenses use micro displays and sensors to project augmented reality, AR, overlays into your field of vision. They connect wirelessly to your smartphone, integrating seamlessly with apps to provide real-time information. Why it's revolutionary? For health, diabetics can monitor glucose levels without needles. For professionals, surgeons could use these lenses during operations to access vital stats hands-free. For everyday life, imagine discreetly checking emails during a meeting without anyone noticing. Real-world benefits. Let's say you're in a foreign country. You don't need to fumble with your phone to navigate or translate signs. The lenses do it for you instantly. These lenses are not just a convenience. They represent a new way of interacting with the world. 2. Foldable smartphones, compact yet powerful. Next on the list are foldable smartphones, and they're about to redefine how we think about mobile devices. Picture this. You're on a train, and you pull out what looks like a sleek smartphone. With one quick motion, it unfolds into a tablet-sized screen, perfect for multitasking, gaming, or watching movies. Key features: durable screens. By 2025, foldable phones will have scratch-resistant, long-lasting displays. Multitasking. Imagine video calling a friend while editing a document, all on the same screen. Stylish design. These devices are not just functional, they'll be thinner, lighter, and more stylish than ever. What sets them apart? Foldable phones also adapt to how you use them. For example, if you're working, they'll prioritize productivity features. If you're gaming, they'll enhance graphics and optimize battery life. Gaming on foldables. Imagine playing a racing game with full-screen controls that feel like a console experience, all on a device that fits in your pocket. Foldable smartphones are bringing versatility and power together in one compact package. 3. AI-powered personal assistants, your ultimate sidekick. In 2025, AI-powered personal assistants will be smarter, faster, and more human-like than ever before. What can they do? Organize your life. From scheduling meetings to suggesting the quickest route, they handle it all. Understand you better. Improved natural language processing means they'll get context and nuance, making conversations feel natural. Tailored assistance. Your assistant will adapt to your habits, offering solutions before you even ask. Imagine this. You wake up and say, "What's my day like?" Your assistant replies with a detailed rundown of your schedule, reminders for tasks, and even ideas for dinner based on what's in your fridge. Advanced features. Feeling tired? Your assistant might suggest a relaxing playlist or mindfulness exercises. Planning a trip? It can book flights, hotels, and even create an itinerary based on your interests. Need to control smart home devices? Just say the word. It'll adjust the lights, thermostat, or even start brewing your coffee. AI assistants won't just save you time, they'll make your life smoother, more enjoyable, and more productive. 4. Wearable health monitors, your personal health tracker. Health is wealth, and in 2025, wearable health monitors will ensure you stay on top of yours. How do they help? Track your metrics, heart rate, sleep patterns, hydration levels, and more, all monitored in real time. Preventative care. They'll alert you to potential health risks and provide actionable insights. Remote healthcare. These devices will connect with doctors, allowing them to monitor your health and respond quickly in emergencies. A day in the life. Imagine this. You're at work, and your device notifies you that your stress levels are high. It suggests a quick breathing exercise, helping you feel better instantly. Or if your heart rate spikes unexpectedly, it alerts your doctor immediately. Fashion meets functionality. These wearables won't just be functional, they'll also be stylish. Think of a smartwatch that looks like a luxury accessory while keeping you healthy. 5. Home 3D printers, the maker's dream. Last but not least, let's talk about home 3D printers. By 2025, these devices will be more accessible, allowing anyone to create custom items at home. What can you print? Everyday essentials, toys for kids, replacement parts for appliances, or even phone cases. Food, yes, you'll be able to print edible creations like intricate cakes or personalized snacks. Eco-friendly products, use biodegradable materials to create sustainable items. Why it's exciting? 3D printers aren't just tools, they're enablers of creativity. You can design and print your own gadgets, share ideas with a global community, and even use them in education to teach kids design and engineering. A real-life example, imagine your favorite mug breaks. Instead of buying a new one, you design and print a replacement that's even better than the original, all from your living room. Conclusion: the bright future of technology. As we've seen, 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for technology. These gadgets, smart contact lenses, foldable smartphones, AI-powered assistants, wearable health monitors, and home 3D printers are more than just cool. They're tools that will enhance how we live, work, and play. So, which gadget are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. The future is bright, and it's only getting better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.